Hi guys, I'm Simon from NEC. I'm just here today to show you our brand new Windows collaboration display from Sharp NEC. So really the concept around this whole display is this simple bring your own meeting type experience. It's all about being able to emulate what you've got on your laptop, what you're so familiar with using. When you walk into a meeting space or connect to any mobile display by using our WCD device, it's a single cable connection, and once we've done that, we are automatically brought straight into the display in the room. So I'll show you how we do that. So it's a simple single cable connection. I can bring my laptop over here, get my USB-C cable. So literally one connection, we're into the display. And now what will happen is the display will take over my laptop, and we're just replicating everything that I had on my laptop. I was in a meeting with my colleague Jill, so she's been brought straight back into the room here. So I'm just going to minimize Jill for a second, and then just talk a little bit about the features of this new device. So if we just go into full screen presentation mode, we're just using again all those familiar tools, except I'm now using it as a touchscreen as opposed to sat down at my laptop. So first and foremost, 55-inch PCAP multi-touch ink-enabled device. It's a 4K UHD display, 400 candela brightness typically. We're using optically bonded glass here. And then we have two active pens which support palm ejection. So the two pens actually sit on the side here. You could hide this behind if you wanted to, have the pens in your pocket, but they do charge on this device, so it just needs to be docked back after a meeting. But we can literally pick those pens up and we can just start inking onto this display using Microsoft Ink into PowerPoint. And by palm ejection, what we mean is we could be touching the screen at the same time as we're actually inking. We might have a preference for keeping our fingers on or moving something around whilst needing to use the actual ink of the pen. So that palm ejection feature is part of that active pen. Just pop the pen back. So let's talk about the certification. So this product is certified for Teams by Microsoft, and what they actually spend a lot of time and focus on is the camera, the mic, and the audio experience for the audience and the people that are going to be on that call in Teams. So it's a 4K camera. It's 90 degrees horizontal fixed field of view. We have a 6-array microphone across the top here, which is optimized really for a distance of around 6 meters and for a meeting of 4 to 6 people. And that's 180 degree field of view coming straight out from the front of that camera. So actually it just picks up that space absolutely perfectly every single time as soon as we've connected that device. And then front facing speakers with 12 watts of power coming out, more than ample audio for the space that it's been certified for by Microsoft. And in terms of the interfaces and the connections, if we just move over back to the other side of the screen, we've actually got two USB-Cs, input 1 and input 2, and we've also got HDMI and USB for additional devices to be connected. We also have smart switching. If I connect another device now on USB-C, it will automatically jump to that next device. So those user-friendly controls actually enable us to obviously stand by, just turn the screen on and off. But we've got a really nice smart switch function here, which we can actually force by just pressing the button. That will just toggle between the inputs, volume up and down, essentially mute, and then the all-important Windows button as part of the certification from Microsoft. As soon as we hit that Windows button, that will just take us straight back to that familiar place where we can go. Across the top here, we've actually got built-in IoT sensors. So what these are, again, they're part of the certification from Microsoft, but these enable us to take very important measurements from the space. So ambient light sensor, air quality, temperature and humidity, and presence. So the screen will actually turn on when I walk in the room if it's been off for a little while. If we bring up the on-screen display here, we will be able to move along and get to that sensor data. That can be fed back up into the Azure clouds, and then using a management platform, using a dashboard, you can actually see and use that information to help you optimize your space. So we're going to discard those changes on the PowerPoint and drop back into my video call. Jill's been sat patiently there in the background, so I can just bring her back in just by one click and just maximize that. So Jill and I were actually having a conversation earlier just around launching this product and just the content we're going to use for social media and for sort of teasing the product out there. So I'm just going to ask Jill to share some of that to me. Obviously it's very powerful for me to see it on the big screen and just to give my feedback. So Jill, I don't know if you've got some time just to quickly share that up. That'd be fantastic.
Introducing the NEC WD551. Seamless collaboration for a hybrid world. An all-in-one solution that brings your office-based and remote teams together.
Thanks, Jill. Thanks everyone for watching. This is our brand new Windows collaboration display from Sharp NEC.